Introduction to WorldPay SOAP API. The WorldPay SOAP API is a payment processing interface that allows merchants to integrate their e-commerce platforms with WorldPay payment systems to get started with the WorldPay SOAP API. You need to understand the key concepts and best practices. Setting up the WorldPay SOAP API. First, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain a merchant ID and a set of API credentials. You will use these credentials to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to choose a programming language and a SOAP client library to use with the API. Understanding the API endpoints. The WorldPay SOAP API provides several endpoints for different payment operations, such as payment submission, payment inquiry, and refund. Each endpoint has its own set of parameters and response formats. You need to understand the endpoint you are using and the parameters it requires. Authenticating API requests. To authenticate your API requests, you need to include your API credentials in the SOAP header of your request. You can do this by creating a SOAP header element and adding your credentials to it. You should also ensure that your API requests are encrypted using SSL or TLS. Handling API responses. When you send an API request, the WorldPay SOAP API will return a response that indicates the result of the operation. You need to parse the response and handle any errors that may occur. You should also log the response for auditing and debugging purposes. Best practices for using the WorldPay SOAP API. To get the most out of the WorldPay SOAP API, you should follow best practices such as handling errors and exceptions, logging API requests and responses, and testing your integration thoroughly. You should also ensure that your integration is secure and compliant with payment industry standards. Common errors and solutions. Some common errors you may encounter when using the WorldPay SOAP API include authentication errors, invalid parameter errors, and connection timeouts. To resolve these errors, you should check your API credentials, verify that your parameters are correct, and ensure that your connection is stable. Conclusion. The WorldPay SOAP API is a powerful tool for payment processing, but it requires careful setup and configuration. By following the tips and best practices outlined in this guide, you can ensure a successful integration and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers.